Good morning. More banking trouble. JP Morgan buys US First Republic Bank after regulators seize control. A $20 billion last-minute deal has seen the US largest bank buy one of its competitors. So another huge bank has failed. US financial authorities seized California's troubled First Republic Bank on Monday and sold it to JP Morgan Chase, hoping to bring to a close a 2-month banking crisis that has spooked the financial system. First Republic became the second largest bank by assets to collapse in US history after it disclosed last week a loss of more than $100 billion in deposits in the first quarter. The agreement means JP Morgan, the largest bank in the United States, will recover all of the First Republic's deposits, as well as almost all of its assets, according to an FDIC statement. First Republic will be subsumed into Chase, JP Morgan's Chase's consumer bank brand. The federal agency estimates it will have to pay about $13 billion to cover First Republic's losses, but the bank's 84 branches will be able to reopen Monday as usual. By Friday's close, First Republic was worth only $654 million, down from more than $20 billion at the start of the year, and $40 billion at its peak in November 2021. At first glance, First Republic appeared to be well positioned. It was known to have a wealthy clientele who deposited large sums. But the string of banking defaults rattled customers, and the majority of First Republic's loans were fixed-rate mortgages which have lost value due to soaring interest rates. Observers are closely watching for any broader implications of the latest financial institution's collapse. So once again, another huge bank has collapsed. The domino effect continues, and I don't think it's going to end there. What's very interesting about this story is that it was wealthy depositors who mostly paid money into this bank. Now, normal public in America are insured up to about $250,000, I think, in the bank. These people were paying in more than $250,000, and that's all going to be paid back to them, so over the threshold for insurance, but they will have it recovered back to them. Who do you think will be footing the bill for this? And also, who do you think will be footing the bill when it comes to higher inflation to recover the costs for all of this as well? I doubt very much this is the end of this. These bankers are not finished fleecing the public yet. As I've said before, be very careful how much you're keeping in the bank. Make sure you've got some cash at home in case you need it, at least to cover a couple of months' expenses. And don't tell anybody you've got it or where you keep it in your house. Loose lips sink ships. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.